Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your visibility with Yelp. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To increase your visibility with Yelp, begin by creating a Yelp business account. Visit the Yelp for Business website and click on the Manage My Free Listing button. If you already have a Yelp account, log in using your existing credentials. If not, select Sign Up to create a new account. Enter your business details, including name, address, and phone number. Make sure the information matches what you have on your website and other platforms. After entering your information, click Add Business. Once your business is added, claim your listing to gain access to various features. Next, optimize your Yelp profile. Add high-quality photos that showcase your products or services. Include a detailed business description that reflects your brand voice. Make it informative but concise, highlighting what sets you apart from competitors. Update your business hours, ensuring they are accurate and reflect any seasonal changes. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. Engage with reviews by responding professionally, regardless of whether they are positive or negative. This not only shows that you value customer feedback but also boosts your visibility. Use Yelp's check-in offers to incentivize customers to leave reviews. Consider creating special promotions or discounts exclusively for Yelp users. Regularly update your business profile with new information or photos. Leverage Yelp ads for additional visibility and reach. Target specific demographics to ensure your ads are seen by potential customers in your area. Monitor your Yelp analytics to track the performance of your listing. Use this data to refine your strategy and make necessary adjustments. Stay active on the platform to maintain high visibility. By following these steps, you'll enhance your business presence on Yelp and attract more customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.